here's a text, and she says that they're a married couple, and they're looking at their deed, and it identifies them as a husband and wife, but is that the same thing as joint tenants' rights of survivorship?
Being just showing me as married couple on the
Yeah,
deed?
exactly,
Well,
yes.
it is.
Yeah.
It is.
It's another way of saying it.
It's another way of saying tenancy by the entireties.
Yeah, so when it comes to when you have two or more people own a piece of property, there'd be three forms. Number one, tenants in common. Number two, joint tenants' rights or survivorship. And
Break in a minute.
Number three, tenancy by the entirety. And tenancy by the entirety, if it identifies you as a husband and wife, you're automatically tenancy by the entirety. And if so, you're deemed to be joint tenants' rights or survivorship. One of you passes away, the survivor automatically owns it all. If you have two or more people that own property as tenants in common, it means if any one of them passes away, then their share will pass according to what their will happens to say. Now, occasionally we have a deed where it's owned by Bill and Barbara, his wife, and Tom, maybe one of their children. Well, Bill and Barbara are joint tenants' rights or survivorship, but they're not necessarily joint tenants' survivorship with their son Tom. You'd have to have the magic language to make that happen.
Correct. And that means then there could be probate.